Phalaenopsis philippinensis, a collector's orchid with dazzling beauty. Hi, I'm Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the captivating Phalaenopsis philippinensis. This exquisite orchid, endemic to the Philippines, has stolen the hearts of collectors worldwide with its stunning blooms and unique foliage. Whether you're a seasoned orchid enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this tropical gem. What makes the Phalaenopsis philippinensis special? The Phalaenopsis philippinensis stands out from its kin in several ways. Striking foliage. Unlike most Phalaenopsis species, the Philippinensis boasts beautiful, marbled leaves. These leaves are adorned with a mesmerizing pattern of silver veins against a rich green backdrop, adding visual interest even when the plant isn't in bloom. Elegant blooms. The flowers themselves are a sight to behold. They come in a range of colors, from pure white to soft pinks and yellows, often with speckles or stripes. The blooms typically have a waxy texture and a delicate, butterfly-like appearance, true to the Phalaenopsis genus's common name, the moth orchid. Rarity. Compared to its more common Phalaenopsis cousins, the Philippinensis exists in smaller numbers in the wild. This scarcity adds a touch of exclusivity for collectors seeking a unique specimen. How does the Phalaenopsis philippinensis differ from other Phalaenopsis varieties? While all Phalaenopsis orchids share some basic care requirements, the Philippinensis does have a few distinct characteristics. Light. Most Phalaenopsis varieties thrive in bright, indirect light. However, the Philippinensis can tolerate slightly lower light levels thanks to its patterned leaves. This can be beneficial for those with limited access to south-facing windows. Humidity. All Phalaenopsis orchids appreciate moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 80%. However, the Philippinensis might be slightly more forgiving of occasional dips in humidity due to its natural habitat. Leaf pattern. As mentioned earlier, the patterned leaves are a defining feature of the Philippinensis. This variegation is not present in most other Phalaenopsis varieties. Important note, while the Philippinensis can tolerate lower light and slightly less humidity, it's still crucial to provide optimal growing conditions for healthy and vibrant blooms. How do I care for my Phalaenopsis philippinensis? Providing proper care is essential for your Phalaenopsis philippinensis to flourish. Here's a basic guide. Light. Aim for bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the roots turn silver gray. Allow excess water to drain freely and avoid leaving the plant sitting in water. Humidity. Ideally, maintain moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 80%. Grouping your orchids together, using a humidifier, or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water can help raise humidity. Temperature. Phalaenopsis philippinensis prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Withhold fertilizer during the resting period, fall and winter. Potting. Choose a pot with good drainage, preferably made of clear plastic to allow you to monitor root health. Repot only when the roots outgrow the pot or the potting medium breaks down. Where can I buy a Phalaenopsis philippinensis? Due to its relative rarity, finding a Phalaenopsis philippinensis might require some searching. Here are a few options. Specialized orchid nurseries. These nurseries often carry a wider variety of orchid species, including the Philippinensis. Online retailers. Several online orchid retailers offer a selection of Phalaenopsis orchids. Be sure to choose a reputable seller with positive customer reviews. Orchid shows and events. Attending orchid shows and events can be a great way to find unique orchid specimens, including the Philippinensis. Conclusion. The allure of the Phalaenopsis philippinensis. The Phalaenopsis philippinensis is a captivating orchid that offers a unique combination of stunning blooms, mesmerizing foliage, and a touch of rarity. With proper care, this orchid will reward you with years of breathtaking beauty. So, if you're looking for an orchid that stands out from the crowd, the Phalaenopsis philippinensis might just be your perfect match.